So good morning, everybody. This is Danish, and um, I'm doing a weekly chart review for various indices. Um, so to begin with, this is S&P 500 futures ES, the short code, and well, as I have been posting every day almost, this is pretty much trying to break this channel. And because it is trying to break this channel, it's facing a lot of resistance here. I was expecting a red day on Friday, but there was and there was a lot of selling pressure. But the bulls took over, and we had a doji day. But if we remain in this state, probably by Monday or Tuesday, I expect, or worst case Wednesday, I expect a red candle. Because every time there is a big streak of uptrend, it is followed by a red day, and we do need that consolidation. That's really good to have. This linear growth is never good, and what I see is like, if you can observe, all of these candles are lining up right below this line, and then suddenly this one breaks up, and this one starts taking support, moves up, and now this one is trying to break off of this level. So this is what I see. But if you switch to weekly chart, well, the trend is pretty strong up, and I don't see any reason for concern on a weekly chart. So that being said, hold on. So this is ES and pretty strong uptrend. Let's see some other indices. And this is I personally feel this is driving everything else. This is the engine. Let's go to NASDAQ. Thank you. Well, NASDAQ already had that red candle that I was expecting on Friday. Just like ES, it was also trying to break this support resistance level, and it hit the ceiling right here, right at this level, and took support right at this level, even though it went down below. But this channel is supporting this candle, right where this one began, this one closed. So these are respecting the channel. Now, if I just turn it into, so the whole point of channel is it should respect the channel. Let me get rid of these lines. If I turn it into a week, the respect is still there. It is still respecting the channel. Whereas if I go to a finer granularity, let's say 4 hours, again, the same respect. The way I see it is the candles start lining up right here, and they're unable to go below this level and unable to go above this level, so they're kind of trapped here. And this is what I see. And it hits this, it tries to break off, hits the glass ceiling, and slam down. This is NASDAQ. Let's see what's happening about Russell, small and medium cap companies on a daily chart. This had a similar thing. Now this is lagging behind. NASDAQ is leading. S&P is just behind NASDAQ, and because of its sheer size, I guess lower momentum comes with sheer size. And well, this is Russell, small and medium caps, and this is, again, this just cleared a major resistance level at 1535. Sorry, 1537. That was a Fibonacci level, and now it's tracking upwards, but it just hit the ceiling again. Let's see on a weekly. Well, the trend is still pretty strong up. This line was trying to bend down, but this candle will pull this upwards. The trend line will go up now because of this big fat green candle. We might expect a couple of red days on Russell as well in the next 1 week, just because it might get into overbought state, and we might expect a few red days, or I can say it will hit resistance here and we will get into a red candle day. If we could do this on a 4-hour candle as well, and you can see how it's trying to break off of this channel. And every time it tries to break off of any level, there is a resistance, support. Right now it's taking support, but in next few days, when it hits the ceiling right here, it's normal to fall back and then go back upwards. I mean, it has to breathe, as I say it. That's Russell. Let's look at DAX. That's again a major index. Oh, sorry. Well, DAX is following the same pattern here. Again, this is facing resistance right here. Right now, it's trying to break from this channel. And if we turn into a 4-hour candlestick chart, you can see how it's trying to push up, and then it came down. Then again, one push up, and then there is a bearish engulfing candle right here. One bearish engulfing here, one bearish engulfing here. It's still trying to track upwards. The trend line is trying to shoot this way. So, but if you go on a weekly, it'll show the larger trend. Well, the larger trend is mimicking this handle because, again, this is a major resistance / support on the way down, and it is taking support right here at this line, this very line. So DAX is trying to form another handle, just like the one here. It's trying to form another handle on a weekly chart, or a weekly candle, possibly. Well, here in Australia, things are a little different, and the index of Australia is ASX. XJO is the ticker symbol, and here is a different story. It's following, like it's going like a Russell. Let me change the lines to a different color. Let's make the old channel a golden channel, which it failed. We have failed the golden channel. Now we are following this new channel. And as you can see, it's trying to get off of this level now on ASX. Let's go on a 4-hour chart, and we will see the same thing, same story. It's failed it right here, and it's trying to recover. And it tried too hard, too soon, and got a hit a glass ceiling right here, and it's now trying to go back up again. So this is ASX. There were some people from India, so let's see Nifty. Okay, this is right here. Nifty is taking support, and again, still tracking the same channel. Now this had gone below this support / resistance channel band here, recovered, and now it's trying to shoot upwards. You could see this on a smaller granularity, how it's progressing. You can see that right here. So, and also on a weekly, it'll show a similar touch. You see, it's trying to take traction from this bottom level of the channel. It's trying to go up this channel. So it's going sideways and up. Sideways is really good. Again, this is at that same stop as DAX we had seen. It's just below that level. In DAX, it was just above this level. So Nifty is ready to, it's coiling, as I say it. It's coiling and it's ready to shoot up. Coiling can be seen very easily on a daily chart. How candles just line up right here. So candles are just, coiling right around this line. So this is Nifty. That's how I see it. But still, S&P still remains at the top. Nasdaq is a close competitor.
Right. Thank you, Danish.
Yeah. All right then, everybody. Thank you. And you can meet. We'll meet next week at the same time again. All right.
Thank you so much.